Hello everyone. So in today's class we are going to discuss how to create a purchasing value key in SAP. So for that we need to go to SPRO, then then purchasing, then material master, then define purchasing value keys. So here there are already some purchasing value keys are defined. If we need, we can create a new purchasing value key through new entries. So here let's say our purchasing value key is T3, and here our reminder is, first one is 2 minus, or say 3 minus, second reminder is on 0, and next reminder is on 3. So here we can select acknowledgement required. For that vendor will send us acknowledgement. Here the GRIR control is there, so we can mention under delivery and over delivery tolerance. So here we may say 10% and 10%. So here if we select this unlimited over delivery, then the vendor can send any kind of material, any quantity of material, then we will be able to do the GR for that also. Otherwise, if we are selecting this under delivery and over delivery, then as for this under delivery, like 10% of above the purchase order and 10% below the purchase order, we can be able to enter the GR for the same. So here we can mention the shipping instruction. So here we can select from the existing one. So here the shipping instruction one is there and Tata Motors shipping instruction is there. So we can select any of it. So let's just save it. So this is how we can create a purchasing value key in SAP.